Hakuna murume anoda kuona murume akambovata nemukadzi wake padhuze naye. Hakuna murume anoda kuzviona izvozvo. Haina ndabasa nazvo ini anongoya zvakachiona vana vake. Iwo anoteme? You are an idiot. Hakuna murume akadaro. A proper man wants to have a marriage where he is proud of himself. A proper man is a man who, when he's walking with his wife, he doesn't want another man to point at his wife and say, I was with this woman 2 years ago. A proper man does not find dignity in that.
Yes.
How then can this man be coming after every few weeks to drop his children at your doorstep? Sometimes your wife will be bathing and he says, he knocks at the gate and you come out to see him. Oh, I came to drop my children, which you are taking care of. Varume vedu vavambodza kudzidza kwamuri kuita kuri kukuita imbodza pamberi paMwari izvezvi uri chireshe chemurume. Zvawakatoita izvi hataifanirwa kana kukuita asha chaiye muchechi, because hauna strength. You are a weak man. A strong man.
So biblically, how do we take what Apostle Chiwenga is teaching right here? We need to understand this, guys, to say sometimes doctrinally it might be correct, but these things are happening in our lives, and sometimes these women don't even care about those men, about their past anymore, because some of them were in abusive relationships, some of them were divorced, some of them faced the difficulties, my challenges, and they had to remarry. So ogara here akadaro asina murume kana kuti achita chipfambi kana kuti achita sei. Inini, to me, I believe kuti the circumstances matter, because my circumstances ndo anogona kuzotipa a guideline kuti what really caused this woman to be married by another man. But I don't know. Chii chiri nani kuti mukadzi agare nevana, baba vevana vouya nevana vachivapika nekuvadropa kumba kwako by the gate, pane kuti mukadzi wako anoenda nevana ikoko. I don't know what is the difference between mukadzi anga akambororwa akarambwa nemvana. How do we deal with these issues? I have seen so many families dzatokura, and I believe kuti my circumstances must lead always.